Hey everybody, my name is Nathan, and I want to take a $2,000 account to 1 million. I don't know if I'm going to make it, but I'm going to document every single step along the way. Real quick, nothing on this channel is ever financial advice. This is just me showing my work, my trades, my wins and losses, for entertainment purposes only. If you're somebody who's curious about trading and wants to watch somebody figure it out in real time, then this channel's for you. If you want a guru to tell you what to buy and sell, then this ain't the place for you. So here's what I'm doing. I'm trading options, starting with $2,000, and I'm putting it all on camera. A couple times a week I'll do an account update, show you where we're at, and then I'll show you what kind of trades I took and what I was thinking, what worked and what didn't work. Honestly, my goal isn't to teach you, because I'm still learning myself. My goal is to document this honestly so I can come back and review and see what went right and where I blew it. But if you pick something up along the way, then it's a win for both of us. Honestly, I started this channel because some people asked me to teach them how to trade, so I figured why not just film it, and that way anybody who sees this can learn from it. So if you're watching this and you're brand new and you don't know where to start, just watch what I do and ask questions in the comments, and I'll make videos answering your questions, and we'll figure it out together. So if this sounds like something you want to be a part of, then hit subscribe because we're starting now.